Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to promote Temu on Instagram. So guys, if you are not an affiliate yet, please click on my link below so you can sign up to become a Temu affiliate now and start earning some money. So with that said, once you are on Temu, just simply tap on the search bar at the top, and from here just simply search for affiliate program. And from here, it will redirect you to the affiliate page. And from here, guys, just simply tap on the share down below at the middle. And from here, guys, you will have here the Instagram story icon. So just simply tap on that. And from there, you will be redirected to the Instagram application. And as you can see right away, you'll be able to post it on your story and just simply tap on the icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, you'll be able to share it to your story and you'll be able to tap on done. And now another option that you have is just simply tap on the share again on the middle down below. And from here, if you scroll to the left of the applications, you should be able to see here Instagram. So just simply tap on Instagram app. And from here, as you can see, we will have an option to forward it to our messages. Just simply tap on send, and from here tap on done. And from there, guys, you'll be able to send it and promote your Temu link on Instagram. And from here, just tap on the message that you send the picture with. And from here, just simply tap on the message and paste your link over here. So just simply hold it and tap on paste. And from here, tap on send. And as you can see, when they click on your link, they will get $100 coupon bundle and you'll be able to promote your Temu on Instagram. So another option is to just simply tap on the share icon on the middle again and just simply scroll to the left of the application and you should be able to see here the Instagram post. So just simply tap on post and after that, just simply provide a song that you prefer and tap on next. And from here, just simply paste your promotional link on the description and tap on OK and tap on share. And from there, you'll be able to promote it as well. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.